Today we are going to look at common ways to record multiplication, and we are going to be using an algorithm. Our problem says, Miss Stockton ordered 2 boxes of t-shirts with the phrase keep dreaming and 4 boxes of t-shirts with the phrase I love math. How many teachers did Miss Stockton order? First, let's underline the question. We want to find out how many t-shirts did Miss Stockton order. Next, we're going to look at the information that we already know. Well, as we see in the problem, she has ordered 2 boxes of t-shirts with the phrase keep dreaming and 4 boxes of t-shirts with the phrase I love math. If we look over here on the right, I love math have 26 t-shirts per box, and keep dreaming also has 26 t-shirts per box. This problem happens to have more than one step. First, we have to figure out how many boxes she actually needs. So she ordered 2 boxes with the phrase keep dreaming and 4 boxes with the phrase I love math. I'm going to add those together to see how many boxes she needs, and she will need 6 boxes. Now the question does not ask us how many boxes she needs. If we look back up at the question, it asks how many t-shirts did she order. So we know that there are 26 t-shirts in the I love math box and 26 t-shirts in the keep dreaming box. Since they have the same amount, we are going to multiply the 26 shirts from each box times the 6 boxes that she needs. When we record this step, we are going to be using an algorithm. And when we use a standard algorithm, we are not going to be using partial products. We are going to first multiply the numbers in our ones place. We have a 6 in our ones place, and we also have another 6 in our ones place. We know that 6 times 6 equals 36. So we are going to multiply our 6 times 6, which we know is 36. Put your 6 in the ones place because that's in our ones place over here. And instead of putting our 3 down next to it, we're going to take the 3 that's in our tens place and we're going to carry it over the 2, which is in our tens place over here. And then we are going to multiply 6 times 2, which is 12, and we're going to add the 3. So 12 plus 3 is 15. So she will need 156 shirts. Let's try a few more problems together. You should be writing them in your notebook as I am writing them on the video. Let's try 125 times 4. First, we are going to multiply our ones place. We have a 5 in the ones place and a 4 in the ones place. Since 5 times 4 equals 20, we're going to take the 0 that's in the ones place and put it here and regroup the 2 over the tens place over here. Next, we are going to multiply 4 times 2, which is 8, and we're going to add 2 more, which is 10. So we're going to put down our 0 and regroup our 1 over here. In the last step, we are going to multiply 4 times 1, which is 5, and add our last digit, which would be 6. So 125 times 4 is 600. Go ahead and try this problem. 34 times 6. You can pause the video now and try your work. Check your work. 4 times 6 is 24, so we're going to put down our 4 and regroup our 2. Then we're going to multiply 6 times 3, which is 18, plus 2 more is 20. So you should have gotten 204. Now it is time for you to try the guided practice in your book.